50 here. So, hey, as the title probably said, this is the AXP skid plate on the KTM 890 R, the Adventure 890 R Adventure. And one of the things I wanted to say about this skid plate was I think it's a good, solid skid plate. Don't get me wrong. It's kind of nice because it is a durable plastic. So if you are kind of going over rock, you're going over trees or anything like that, it kind of slides, you know, versus maybe the hard metal underbelly. But I switched to a Black Dog skid plate, and I'll show the, you know, I'll take a little bit closer video. But the one thing that I would tell you is because of where the exhaust is on the KTM, and again, I'll take video and show you, and this being plastic, I want you guys to see exactly right here. This is burned, and it's almost melted through the plastic, and you can see there, and then you can see on the back side here, and I'll take closer ups of this, but that concerns me. It does have a little bit of it has a heat shield here thing, but this is burning off the pipe. And if you guys know, on my 890, I've actually taken the catalytic converter piece off, put the aero mid pipe in, and this is after that. So so that concerns me on the AXP skid plate. And again, it's a solid skid plate, except for, I would just tell you, be cautious of this piece back here. So I went with the Black Dog. I'm a big proponent of Black Dog. I have a banner up for them. I am not sponsored by Black Dog. I don't get any kickbacks or none of that stuff. I don't get paid for anything that they say. I get, you know, basically Kurt's very nice to me. I get some stickers, some extra stickers, and a banner. I'm just a big proponent of Black Dog on my bikes. So again, just be cautious. Again, solid skid plate. I would just be concerned about this burning right through here and getting hot out on the trails and stuff like that, and kind of, you know, what you're doing. So obviously don't have that problem on the Black Dog because it's, you know, stainless steel and what they do with that. But this melting piece was a big concern. And I noticed that, even though I was going to switch to the Black Dog, but I noticed that, you know, just when you get underneath and you're cleaning the chain and doing just some, you know, minor maintenance and stuff like that to the skid plate. So pretty wild. I would tell you that just be cautious of that, and hopefully this helps someone out there on the AXP skid plate for the 890 Adventure R. This is a 2023, so this way you guys know what's going on, and just to give a little thought on it. Okay, thanks a lot, and hopefully this helped. Again, like, subscribe if you can. Close to 2,000 subscribers. Would love to kick it over that 2,000, and more content coming. So stay tuned. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.